Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Just kidding. So today it is Chris commentating. He is looking at my makeup and he is going to guess what in the world I'm trying to do. So as we get started here with some facial cream, looks like this might be something to maybe cleanse the face and maybe exfoliate those pores. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Unofficial sponsor of today's video is Dr. Pepper, in case you missed that. What is this stuff? Looks like a little bit of goop. Oh, it's a lip balm or something. Some sort of a lip something. So, whatever. Makes me have shiny lips. I'm super happy about that. Okay. So what's this? This must be some sort of a concealer. By definition, concealer is meant to hide something. So I particularly do not like the bags under my eyes. So I'm going to try to hide that stuff up so I can put some nice makeup over it and look super, super pretty, y'all. See? I really like this stuff. I even gave you a thumbs up, just in case you didn't know for sure. So as I apply it here in fast motion, you can see that I have had a lot of practice at this. I've been using makeup for quite a long time. And, it's a passion of mine. I love beauty and everything that goes along with it. Oh, these sponges. I love these sponges, but you know who loves these sponges more? Our dogs. We find them all over the house. It's super fun. Huh. Yeah, okay. Well, we're going to do like a half a face technique. That's odd. I don't know why I do this, but it's okay. So anyways, yeah, got to get those big old hoops out of the way so I can, get it down under my jowls. So we're going to... Oh, what is this stuff? Oh. This is more stuff. I'm guessing another layer of concealer? I don't know. Oh, weird. It looks like it's almost like Indian paint, facial paint. Yeah, that's fun. I find it weird how when women put this stuff on, they can put all these weird little stripes and lines and blotches all over their face, and then it all blends in to look just absolutely incredible. It is crazy. So I'm just going to keep on applying this stuff here because it's what I have to do. What's this? Some sort of powder. Ooh, I bet we're looking at some foundation. Huh? Maybe? No? See, I pay a lot of attention to my under eyes because I'm not happy with them. I've actually discussed this with my husband. I want under eye fillers. He thinks it's ridiculous. He's probably right. Okay, so what do we call this? Is this bronzer? I think I'm bronzing my nose. Yep, getting some good contouring and shadowing in. Yeah, this is nice. It's all coming together, people. What's this? Oh, this looked like a Jaclyn Hill thing. So I am a super big fan of Jaclyn Hill. She is who I aspire to be. But that's okay. Because she's really good at what she does. I love her products. Oh, wow. Look at this. You know, if I didn't know better, I'd start to think this thing was coming off the rails. But I bet by the end of this, you guys are going to be surprised at how it all just works together. Now remember, people, you saw me put a couple little drops on this brush. Less is more, okay? When you're doing makeup, less is more. Can you imagine if my pupils looked like this all the time? Weird white dots. Wow. Move over COVID. We have a new problem. Weird eyes. So anyways, yeah, just finishing up this blend job. Oh, look who we have here! This is my boy, little Nico. He came in here. He has something super important to ask me or tell me. Okay. Well, I had a chance to wet my whistle and approve or deny whatever request came out of that genius's mouth. And we're back to doing my makeup just as we intended. I have upgraded from the smallest brush in my collection to the largest brush because, I just thought, why keep just beating around the bush? I'm just going to apply as much at one time as possible. Oh, I found a medium-sized brush. How about that? In case you didn't notice in the background, I have a whole collection of brushes. I'm very proud of my brushes. I wash my brushes, I dry my brushes, and then I put my brushes away. The most important part of any job is to do it right. One thing that a lot of women forget to do is to get areas like your hairline. You got to get all the way up there. Otherwise, somebody that is really good at, paying attention to detail, they're going to find that you stopped maybe 1/8 of an inch away from your hairline. You got to blend that stuff in. Otherwise, you're just going to look silly. Alright, what's this? This looks like a little bit of blush. I think I went with some sort of a pink. Usually blush is like a rosy color, What's this? Oh, we have another Jacqueline product. You see how I poured a little into the cover there? What did I say? Less is more, people. You need to remember that. Alright. So here is where I've had enough and I'm applying my war paint. I will be ready for battle by the time I'm done here. Whoa. What are we doing here? Okay. I like where this is going. Yeah. Just don't lick the sponge. That's what I always say. See, the second you lick the sponge, you're gonna have dry mouth. That's just nasty. You want to make sure when you're doing your makeup, you got to keep your mouth shut. Yep, just like this. Oh yeah. Ha! Yeah, I get really proud sometimes when I see how things will come out. Oh, did something happen? I think I might have spilled some. Sometimes I do that. I'm not paying any attention and I get some sort of a powder and it just goes everywhere. Hard to believe, I know, but it happens. Happens to the best of us. Now, do you see this? See how everything's blended in? With enough practice, you can do this well, too. Oh, wow. This really starting to look like a professional job here. Oh, now we got to give myself a little spritz. Yeah, I think this is a setting spray. We got to set that stuff in. Yep. Just take your breaths. That's right. Take your time on this now. Super important. Yeah. But don't poke yourself in that. You got to be careful when you have big eyes like me. You don't want to poke yourself in the eye because then it's just going to all fall apart. Oh, now we're going to work on my eyes. Now, when I do my eyes, there's a lot that goes into it because I get really fancy and I get these big peacock feathers of eyelashes that I like to put on sometimes. If you're interested in that, I would look into it because it adds a lot of pop to your face. So let's see how things go here. Yeah. Looks like I'm probably due for some eyebrow work. I don't pay enough attention to my eyebrows, but it is what it is. You gotta find time for the little things, So what are we doing here? Okay, we're gonna do some eyeshadow, maybe some lighter eyeshadow. We're really gonna work on. You know what I'm really struggling with right now? I'm struggling. I don't know if I want to put wings on or not. It's something I've been flirting with lately. I've tried it a couple of times. I kind of like the way it looks. All right, now we're gonna go with something a little darker. We're going to blend this in. Ooh. Yeah, look at this. See what I'm doing? Yeah, just a little bit. Remember, less is more. Oh, wow. Sure, yep. So, maybe put in the comments for me, what do you think of my hoops? You guys like these earrings? These are one of my favorite sets. I wear these a lot. I don't know. Sometimes I get scared that some kid's going to run by and just think it'd be funny to grab onto one of them and rip it right out of my head. That wouldn't be good. That would be a bad day for everybody. Do you guys ever worry about that? Oh, here we go. And we're getting some pink shimmer. Oh, yeah. Yeah, see, I'm proud of myself. I get, I love doing my makeup. I really do. Otherwise, I wouldn't have so many videos out there telling you guys about it. And I just, when something works out, it just really makes me happy. All right. Wow. Let's see how that changes just a little bit. Just little adjustments. It can really add a lot of character. It is an art, people. It really is. And I need you guys to, you guys need to understand. A lot of work and practice goes into this. So it's not like this is my first day. Don't want to toot my own horn, but I think I've gotten pretty good at doing this. Alright, yeah, now we're starting to get some of the fine lines detailed in, yeah. So the thing that I find interesting is, so they say when you look at someone, nobody's face is perfectly symmetrical. Well, the same goes for when you apply your makeup. I myself, for instance, am right-handed. So my makeup is naturally going to be a little different from the right side of my face to the left side of my face. But I think I've gotten pretty good at making it all even. Alright, so now I'm applying mascara so that I can prep myself so I can get my eyelashes put on. You don't want to apply mascara after your fake eyelashes are on. I'll tell you why. Because what's going to happen is the glue is going to come loose, and then you're going to wrap the eyelash up in your little brush here, your mascara brush, and then you're going to rip it off your eyelid, and you're going to wonder why in the heck you look goofy with one eyelash hanging out. Alright, so what do I feel like doing next? Oh, I got to do a little touch-up work here at the bottom. Let me just do that. I really prefer mascaras that don't have residue. The one thing that annoys me the most is when I'm walking around all day and all of a sudden I've got this black powder stuff. It looks like soot all over my cheekbones. So if you make mascara like that, get bent. Alright, you see how my eyebrows really pop? Oh yeah. This look is really coming together. Oh, we have another visitor. This is my husband. That is not a coach whistle around his neck. That is a collar, a training collar zapper. So our dog Rocky, he is my pride and joy. When he gets a little out of line, we have to remind him, who's who? Who's in charge? So, oh, look at that. He left my door open. I love it when he comes and opens my door, leaves it wide open like I'm not doing anything important. And as you can see, he still hasn't come back to shut the door. But we must move on. We must prevail. So I'm going to pay a little attention to my lips. Oh, look who's back. It's the star mascot of this video. He must be filling me full of all kinds of knowledge. Look at him. That big dumb gut. Oh yeah, look at him. He's probably talking smart. Yeah. Yeah, he really knows everything. Oh, he came all the way in here. Oh, yeah, see, I love this. He passes the torch. When he doesn't want to run the zapper anymore, he gives it to me. Oh, you know, I shouldn't say anything bad because he has a good heart. He did shut the door. Anyways, let's see. Oh, wow. These lips are a poppin'. In fact, just for, you know, being the great man that he is, I think I'm probably going to have to go give him a big smooch. Oh, yeah, those are smooch worthy. Would you look at that? All right, what do we have here? Oh, you know what? He tells me sometimes that he really likes this when I do these little this little shimmer trick, you know, and I don't even tell him how I do it, but yeah, this little trick I have, a little bit of highlighter, you know, makes me happy. Ooh, get that upper lip. Yeah, sure. Oh, and your little chitty chin chin. Okay, so what is this? So we are about finishing up here. I believe this is what I usually do when I'm done. What do you guys think? I think I look pretty darn spanking good. Yeah, so I need you guys to like and subscribe and come back, okay? Because I'm going to do a lot more of these. Thanks. Bye.